welcome back to Quick Assist. If you're selling your iPhone, giving it away, or just want a completely fresh start, I'll show you how to erase everything and factory reset your iPhone. It only takes a few minutes. Before resetting your iPhone, make sure you backed up anything you want to keep because this will permanently erase your photos, apps, messages, and settings. I made another video specifically about that, so check that out if you haven't. Also, if you're planning to sell or give away your iPhone, make sure you know your Apple account password. You'll need it to turn it off the activation lock during the reset. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So what we're gonna wanna do is go to settings, and it's this logo right here, icon. Open that, and then we're gonna wanna go to general. Click general, and then we're gonna want to go down to the bottom, and it says transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, so then once we get here, we're gonna say erase all content and settings. Go ahead and hit that. Now it's gonna tell you basically what is gonna be erased from the phone. And so you already backed up. And if you haven't, please check out the video about how to back it up. But then we're gonna go ahead and push continue. We're erasing this phone now. It says double checking, do you wanna erase it? Yes. Now we're gonna put in the passcode. Okay, so it says uploading data to iCloud, about 1 minute. If you already backed it up, then go ahead and push skip backup. If you haven't, then allow it to back up to the iCloud. So I'm gonna go ahead and push skip backup. Okay, so now we're gonna have to put in the password. Let me put that in. All right, so after you put in your password, go ahead and put the check mark. And then it should begin soon. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so now it is resetting the phone. Wait a few minutes. When it's finished, you'll see the hello setup screen, and your iPhone has been completely erased and restored to factory settings. So first you'll see the Apple logo. Depending on your phone and how much data you have, it might do a second reset like this. So don't worry. We're a little bit 5 minutes in now. I'll skip some of these parts. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're at the hello screen now, and that's how you erase everything and factory reset your iPhone. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials, and I'll probably do a setup video. So after this, there's a whole setup and you can choose what language and it leads you through. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.